For action legend Vin Diesel, a regular motorhome just won't do. His custom-built, luxury motorhome is a perfect blend of high-end design, advanced technology, and rugged power, built to complement his on-the-road lifestyle. On the outside, this stunning vehicle stands tall with a glossy white body, sleek aerodynamic curves, and a bold front grille that commands attention. The integrated LED headlights, chrome accents, and tinted panoramic windows give it a modern, sophisticated edge. Its reinforced suspension allows it to tackle any terrain, from city streets to off-road adventures. Inside, every detail is crafted for ultimate luxury. The lounge area features plush black leather seating, a massive flat-screen TV, and a top-of-the-line sound system. Soft, ambient LED lighting gives the space a warm, inviting atmosphere. The open-concept kitchen is fully equipped with marble countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a built-in espresso machine, making it a chef's dream while on the road. The bedroom is a haven of relaxation, with a king-size bed, panoramic windows offering breathtaking views, and adjustable LED mood lighting. The spa-inspired bathroom boasts a glass-enclosed rainfall shower and high-end fixtures, perfect for unwinding after a long day of travel. At the back, a retractable awning extends to create a shaded outdoor lounge, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. Whether cruising through scenic landscapes or parked on set, Vin Diesel's motorhome is the ultimate combination of power, comfort, and style. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle on wheels.